What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily restart your phone without using your power button or if your power button is not working. So this will work best especially if you don't have an access to your power button or your power button is physically damaged. So first, just head on to your settings, just scroll down until you see special function. Scroll down for a little bit until you reach accessibility. Next is just scroll down again until you see accessibility menu. Then just turn on the accessibility menu shortcut. Then allow. So from here, we have this accessibility floating button. From here, you can see various accessibility functions. And if we click on power button, you can see the power off and restart option. And from there, you can easily restart your phone without using the power button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily restart your phone even without using the power button. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!